Take out all parts from the package. These are the accessories for a complete bike. Please prepare a screwdriver for yourself. The first step is to set up front wheel. Loosen the stem screw and turn the stem to the front for alignment. Then tighten the screws. Unscrew the stem cap screws and remove the stem cap. Pick up the handle, align it in the middle, and install the handle. Tighten the cap screws, not at one time, but slowly in diagonal sequence. Loose nuts on the both side and remove the front fork protector. Install the front wheel into the front fork, and the disc brake disc is clamped into the disc brake caliper. Unscrew the nut of the quick release lever. Remove the spring near the nut side. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel axle. Put the spring in the other end first and then cover the nut. Pinch the nut and turn the wrench, then tighten it. Step 2. Assemble the seat. Insert the saddle tube into the saddle and tighten the saddle screws. Insert the saddle tube into the seat tube, exceeding the minimum safety mark. Then tighten the seat quick release. Step 3. Assemble the pedal. First determine the left and right of the pedal. The one with R written on it is the right pedal and the one with L written on it is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the hole on the crank, and rotate the pedal toward the front end. Then use a wrench to tighten both sides of the pedals or over the head position screw. Step 4. Installation of accessories. Fix the nut with a wrench and unscrew the screw. Remove the retaining screws of the fender on both sides. Install the fender and fix it with screws. Unscrew the carrier screws. Install the carrier and fix it with screws. Unscrew the rear carrier screws. Install the carrier and fix it with screws. The front reflector is white, and the rear reflector is red. First, the reflector and the plastic ring are combined, and then installed on the handle. The rear reflector is installed on the saddle tube. Press and hold the orange power button to start. Press the plus, minus button to increase or decrease the boost. The installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.